Don't let local, national, or international regulations stand in the way of growing your business. Onfido helps you navigate AML and KYC regulations using geo-specific verification solutions. And with qualified electronic signature, you can deliver a quick and seamless verification experience to all your users. Let's begin by verifying your customer's identity by asking them to take a photo of a government-issued ID, such as a national ID or passport. Onfido supports thousands of documents worldwide and protects against fraud with pixel precision. Once the document is confirmed, you want to ensure that the document is presented by its rightful owner. Onfido's biometric verification protects your business from stolen IDs and impersonation fraud. A simple side-to-side head turn accurately matches your user's facial biometrics to their photo ID. To meet specific European regulations, we've introduced support for QES. With it, you'll be able to quickly and easily confirm users' identities with a legally binding digital signature. Begin by asking your user to accept the necessary terms and conditions. They do this by clicking these two boxes and accepting the document to sign. Your users will be able to create their own qualified electronic signature and use it to sign the document at hand. For added assurance, your user confirms their signature using a unique code carried out via one-time password and verification code sent to their phone number. Configure the settings to match your specific business and compliance needs. Once the verification process is complete, you have a highly secure and legally binding document. And for your users, the process is fast and seamless. See how Onfido Identity Verification with QES can help your business by visiting onfido.com.